So when we're creating targets, we look at product categories. We go as deep as product categories, both new and used. And when I mean product categories, it's everything from compact tractors up to combines. We use data from our history of sales to create average selling prices. We also look at what we believe the market is going to be in the future. We look at our average margins, what we achieved and what we believe we can achieve going forward. We then set those, once we have average selling prices, average margins, we then look at each marketplace. So we have 18 locations. Every marketplace is different. So we have different expectations by store. And we start off at the salesperson level. So the RSMs meet with each salesperson, come up with a plan of what they believe they can sell in the marketplace by product category. We do have, or I have, a kind of an expectation of each location, but ultimately we want to know what the salespeople feel they can sell first. There's some negotiation back and forth after if the targets come in too high and we think they're overreaching, or if they come in too low. So we do a lot of menu pricing. We don't typically rely on manufacturers' programs. We create our own programs based on, again, the marketplace. It's tough for manufacturers, we believe, to paint marketplaces with a broad brush because every market's different. So we know what is typically happening in our marketplace with competition. Then we make decisions on what we feel we need to additionally incentivize products by to meet the marketplace. Things like compact tractors, zero-turn lawnmowers, and most dairy livestock products, so hay bines, balers, disc bines, and chore tractors up to 140 horsepower. We're typically menu pricing those based on feedback that we're getting from our field staff about what's happening in the marketplace and whether we're competitive or not. We put together these menu price. A lot of our salespeople, it's funny, they don't even really want to sell until we have the menu pricing ready. They're so used to it now. We try to make their life easy. We want them ultimately out there selling, not sitting behind a computer trying to work through, menu pricing. Compact tractors can be just as complicated as combines, if not more complicated. So in order to, have our salespeople, I guess, eager to sell those products, we want to make it easy for them. So we do a lot of menu pricing, and it's working. It really works for us.